Hey guys, today we'll be changing the stock Knobby tire to a street PMT tire on the M10-4. It looks really cool. Had a good time with my friends. And stick around if you want to see how it rides, because we're gonna take it outside and we'll have a first impression afterwards. But first, the video. So all you really need is a set of hex keys, you know, Allen wrenches.
Not my rim, man, so we don't care if it's damaged, eh? Oh, allez, qu'est-ce que tu fais? Allez, oh, banana! Hop là, c'est fait! I don't have to get a job done, man. Zo. Hier klaar. And let you do the rest then. You open it up. So do it quickly, yeah? Oh, sorry.
Guys,
A second afterwards on the video,
we lost the one that was going. Supposed to be here.
I only saw one, huh?
Making a custom solution for this.
Yepla! So we do the hole inside and then do it around the cable. Yepla.
It's probably better than the stock Begode.
There. Oh, this was I thought. I don't see anything. Okay. There you go. Find the hole.
You're too old to, you should know by now.
Hey. Voilà.
Very nice.
Ready? Yeah. Wait, I have to go back because you have two. Yeah. Go around the table. Get out of the way. Go around the table. Yeah. Woo! Oh! Yeah, you have less friction now, eh?
Maybe I should take some hair out and then ride it so it settles in. Maybe. No, I felt I felt the tire itself I don't know.
Or maybe you're standing on the floor. It's very thick.
Yeah, the floor is. It doesn't give any friction, eh? The floor.
I think there's a floor. You should try outside.
Yeah. Street tire.
Go backwards. No, but in the straight line, all the way back.
All the way back. What is this? Is a homework?
Yes.
So yeah guys, there you have it. This street tire is so much better than the Knobby tire it comes with. Really, it was worth the hassle. And I couldn't have done this without my friends from the Belgium EUC group riders. Find them on Facebook if you're in Belgium.
Penguin rider.
We had some fun taking pictures with a penguin, I don't know. But then the prophecy came to life.
Penguins, man. Penguins.
The penguins! The penguins!